Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to open the Google Calendar app and sign in now. Tap the app, choose your Google account, and allow sync so events flow into your phone. Once signed in, make sure calendar, contacts, and notification permissions are granted. This lets reminders and attendees work correctly. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one you use for scheduling or toggle accounts to view combined calendars. This initial setup ensures new events appear on all devices and that sharing and reminders function as expected. Now you'll create a complete event. Tap the plus button, enter a clear title, and pick date and start/end times. Use guests to invite others, add location so maps open, and set notifications. Multiple reminders help you prepare. Once done, expand options to choose a calendar color and add conferencing like Meet when needed. This groups events visually and connects meetings. Make sure repeat rules and availability, busy/free, are correct so attendees see your true status. These details make your schedule reliable and easy to scan. Finish by reviewing views. Switch to day, 3-day, or schedule to confirm everything looks right, and tap any event to edit or delete. If events don't appear, force a sync in calendar settings and verify account sync under your phone's account settings. This resolves most missing event issues. If notifications don't arrive, check Do Not Disturb and app notification permissions, then restart the app. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back in only after trying sync and permissions. This refresh often fixes lingering sync errors without losing data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.